Good evening, everybody, and once again, welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, we are going to talk about how you can execute table services on Amazon S3 table buckets manually via Spark jobs. Amazon S3 table buckets allows you to store tabular data at scale. It's a fully managed Apache Iceberg solution by AWS. So as you know, right, Amazon S3 table bucket takes care of all the table optimization for you. But in scenarios where you need to run the table services more frequent, you can completely do that. So you can run Spark jobs and of course stored procedure that are available and run them more often, right? So I want to show you in this particular video how to do that. I have a very simple Amazon S3 table buckets. I don't have any tables inside that. Here you can see pi iceberg block bucket, right? No data inside that. So first I'm going to create a simple iceberg table here in this manage iceberg table, right? So let me go to Athena and then I'm gonna fire the command, right? So create table S3 table catalog daily sales. So I'm creating a simple table here, you can see. And now let's insert some data into it, right? So I'm gonna copy this insert statement. And I'm inserting about few records into this particular table via Athena, as you can see. So this is running. Okay, and now I can query this particular data. So let me click on preview table, select star from S3 table catalog dot daily sales limit 10. And here I should see the data on the console. Now, as you know, right, all the table maintenance activities, for example, small files and all the other activities are taken care by AWS. But in scenarios where you want to run them, right, more frequently, you can do that through Spark jobs. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I have a nice demo for you. So hopefully you guys can see my screen, right? So here I have my table bucket ARN, namespace and the table and the region, of course. So let's export that first. So, okay, we have done that. Now, let me show you a very simple Spark job. Again, you can run this on EMR, on EC2 or EMR serverless, however you like, right? Very, very easy job, right? So look what it does. See, let me go to the main function. So basically takes the Spark session, the catalog name, the namespace and the table name, and basically executes the stored procedure, right? Expire, for example, clean or expire the older snapshots, rewrite, your manifest files, right? So as you can see over here, right? Call, then this is a catalog.system.rewrite data file. So this is basically grabbing all the smaller files into larger files, right? So again, you can run it on your own cadence as well, right? So that's what I want to show you. So what I'm going to do is first I will disable the compaction on the S3 table buckets. Again, there are APIs for that. So AWS S3 table, put table maintenance configuration, and here you can see disabled, right? So let me copy that. So I'm gonna paste this one in, okay? And then I'm gonna disable the snapshot expiry, right? As you can see. So I'm gonna copy this one as well. And of course you can check the status. So there are APIs for that. So AWS S3 tables get table maintenance configuration, takes a table name, namespace, right? So put that one in. Here you can verify that it is disabled, as you can see over here. It's a little hard to see here, but here you can see, right? So now I can run it manually, right? So very simple Spark job I have, right? So I have my packages here. I have my configuration here. Here you can see my job, right? And then the namespace and the table, right? So now here you can see, right? So I'm going to be running for this particular table, right? Daily sales. And this is the namespace, right? So let's run it. Let me go here, copy. And that's it. So it is running now. As you can see, the Spark job is running. So it called the stored procedure, as you can see. And you can see it was executed successfully, right? So now you can basically run the table maintenance activities more frequent based on your own cadence if you want, right? So I just wanted to make this particular video. Not only that, now you can go ahead and use the S3 table APIs from Python SDK, list all the tables, and then for each table you can submit a Spark job, right? So no matter how many ever tables you have, you can basically schedule it on your own cadence, right? So that's something I wanted to cover in this particular video. So thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed. And by the way, I think I have the blog as well. I posted it on Medium most likely. Let me see if I can go to Medium. Yeah, so if you go to Medium and if you come here, I think, yeah, this is the blog. Code explanation snippets are available here. So feel free to try it out. And if you have any other questions, let me know your question in the comment section below. Until then, keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you in the next video.